Hey guys, it's Claris. Welcome back to my channel. I've been getting a lot of requests for glitter nails, so today I'm going to be showing you 3 different glitter nail art designs you can do. They're all going to be using different kinds of glitters, and I think this will be really fun, so let's get right into the video. So I think glitter nails are really fun, and I just haven't really done much of them recently. So why don't I just get right into the first design? So for this first one, I'm going to use what's called glitter glues. These are by Crayola. It comes in this tube, and that is what the glitter looks like. So I'm going to show you guys how to do a gradient nail art design with these. I have already tested this idea out on my fake nail here. As you can see, I did kind of an ombre and added a top coat afterwards. One thing to note though about these is that they are a glue, so they will peel off afterwards, which I guess is kind of nice. This one already is kind of peeling off. They'll kind of peel off afterwards. Glitter nails are usually hard to remove, but since these are a glue, they just come off. So that's just one thing to note about this. Now these are the colors I have right now. I'm going to do a 3-color gradient using these 3 colors here. So this is how I did it. I squeezed a little bit out onto the part of the nail where I want it to go. Then I'm going to dip my brush in just some plain water. And now since it's a little bit wet, it'll allow me to play with the glitter a little bit more and just kind of spread it out. I'm now going to apply some of the next color. And moistening my brush as before, I'm going to spread it, pat it down and kind of spread it out. And then finally, I'm going to go in with the last color. This was honestly just so fun playing around with this kind of glitter. I mean, this was just lying around my house. I never thought of doing this for nails, but it actually looks really cool. Now let's let this dry for a little bit. Okay, so sometime later, it's now all dry to the touch. And the top coat I'm going to use is this cheap one from the dollar store. It actually works pretty well. So I'm just going to apply that over the whole nail. And you can do a couple coats if you want to smooth it out. But that is the nail, super glittery. It was really fun doing this, but I think I would only be able to do it on a fake nail because it did take a considerable amount of time to dry. But yeah, this one was just a really fun one to do, just playing around really. Okay, so for the next design, I'm going to pull out a selection of my holographic nail polishes. A while ago, I did a swatch video of all of these polishes, but my lighting wasn't very good, so they all looked kind of like a dull metallic instead of real hollow. Here I have a foam light on. You can probably see the holographic effect better there. Anyways, I'm going to use a blue, a gold, a pink, and a purple because we're going to do like a bubblegum colored nail. So anyways, I'm just going to grab my white nail polish and paint the nail a base color of white. And this will help the holographic colors to show up better when we do that gradient. When that has dried, you're going to grab a makeup sponge and you're going to apply the colors diagonally on the sponge. However, since this nail is longer than the sponge is, we're going to have to do it on the side of the sponge like this. So we have pink, then blue, gold, and purple. Okay, so I'm going to press all the colors onto the nail and sponge them up down a little bit. Ooh, very nice. Ooh, this is like cotton candy bubblegum. Ooh, that's fun. So we're going to let the nail dry for about 30 seconds before doing the next coat. Then apply the colors in the same places as before. And we're going to first press it on and then sponge it on up and down. And then let's do a 3rd coat. Alright, so that is what it looks like after 3 coats. I really love the look of these colors together, especially blended in an ombre. Alright, so I'm just going to grab my top coat, the one I used before, and apply that to the nail. I don't have any holographic polishes that have like the chunks of glitter in it. I know there's some that are like that, and they're like a little bit more chunkier in texture than the ones I have. And the Color Club Holos are quite affordable. I think you can get them at Walmart for like around $6. So now this is what the nail looks like under a foam light. Ooh, really pretty holographic shine there. So we've done glitter glue, holographic nail polish. What about loose glitter? So you probably have seen this kit before. I've used it lots of times in my videos. Very cheap kit on Amazon. Comes with 24 different colors of loose glitters, and I'm always trying to find ways to use these. So I thought it would be fun to make a glitter mix of some of these. I'm going to take some of my favorite colors and mix some of them together, and then we will use that on the nail. I think this will be really fun. Let's just dump these all out. Okay, so I think I'm going to go with these 3 colors. So I think I'm going to mix them together inside of the lid. Okay, so I've never really made a glitter mix before. So we got a couple of the purples, and let's put in some of this bright pink. Ooh. Now we mix them together. Wow. It's a lot more cool than just the plain color by itself, that's for sure. Can you guys see that? Whoopsies, there we go. Maybe you guys can help me name this glitter mix I made. Now to apply loose glitter on a nail, what you can do is apply a nail polish which is about the same color as the glitter, and the nail polish will be what will help the glitter stick. I think this is a pretty close color. I actually did a swatch video of this certain one. It's called Robes and Rose. I did a nail polish of the week swatch of it on my channel. So I'm just going to go ahead and give the nail a coat of this color. Ooh, it's super pretty. But now what I'm going to do is, I think maybe like tap the glitters over it, like that. Wow, that is super glittery. And there is one way to put loose glitter on a nail. Well, let's let this beautiful nail dry for a top coat. Here is a close look at what it looks like. Maybe this should be called like Purple Berry Fusion, I don't know. And although the nail is really pretty without top coat, you do need to apply it or the glitter will just all come falling off. So once it dries, I'm just going to apply my top coat. And since the nail might be kind of textured with the bumpiness of the glitters, you can apply a second top coat if you would like to smooth it out. I personally don't mind the bumpiness of glitter nails. And there you have it, 3 different ways to do glitter nails. Of course, I'm sure there's tons of different techniques, but which of these is your favorite? Just for fun, you can vote your answer in the poll I made in the upper right corner. But coming up on my channel next, I haven't really done much of spring nail art. So I thought it would be fun to try to use some of these She Modern decals I have, especially like these flower ones are really cool. So if you'd like to see what I come up with these for spring nail art, then feel free to subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that bell so you won't miss my uploads. If you guys are interested in more tutorials from me, I have a whole playlist of all of my nail art tutorials, and you can find that in the upper right corner of your screen right now or below in my description. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. This was really fun just playing around, and have a magical day.